These were the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever had, and I had to come on here and share with you what I just did to make magic in my kitchen. Yo, what's going on, fam? Join me today and let me show you how to make the best chocolate chip cookies ever. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then once you got that on lock, get out unsalted butter. Take out 2 sticks because you need 1 cup and each stick is a half a cup. So cook those sticks of butter until it is foaming and golden brown. Then let it cool for 10 minutes. Making the cookie dough is a 5-part process. Part 1's already done. Now part 2 is mixing the dry ingredients. You only need 3 ingredients for the dry mix, and that's 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Give the flour, baking soda, and salt a mix and set that to the side. Part 3 is the sugar mix. Now the base of this starts with that melted, cooled butter, and add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and beat that together until it's well combined. Then go ahead and add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That's it for those 5 ingredients going into this sugar mix. Combine that, beat it well together until you get this beautiful cookie dough color. Okay, we made it to part 4, which means we're almost done with this because this is a 5-part step to make your own cookie dough. And part 4 is super easy. You're just combining the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Beat the flour and sugar mix well with an electric mixer for 1 minute. The last step to making this cookie dough is adding the chocolate. Now step 5 is super easy. You just need to chop up 2 chocolate bars because you need 2 cups of chocolate. And these Lindt classic milk chocolate bars are absolutely perfect for this recipe because the chocolate is rich and creamy, sweet but not too sweet. It's absolutely delicious and it complements the cookies so well. Mix that all together with a spatula and let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Get out a baking sheet, parchment paper, and a 1/4 cup scooper and measure the cookie dough in that 1/4 cup measurement so that you can get perfect large cookies. You'll be able to make 6 cookies using these measurements, and make sure that you smooth out the edges and use 3 fingers to spread these cookies apart so that they don't melt together. Put the extra cookie dough in a Ziploc bag and refrigerate that until you're ready to use it again. Then add an extra 1 to 3 minutes when you are ready to use it again. For this fresh batch of cookie dough that you're using, put it in the 375 degree oven for 11 to 14 minutes depending on your oven. My oven is really old, so I went all the way to 14 minutes. And this timing is perfect for chewy centers but crispy edges. So check on your cookies after 11 minutes. They should look like this when they're ready to come out. The edges should look a little crispy and medium brown. That's how you know they're ready to come out. And let them stay on the tray and cool there for 10 minutes. That's going to make sure that they cook all the way through and have a chewy center and crispy edges. That is the ideal chocolate chip cookie. These chocolate chip cookies had the perfect texture, chewy in the middle, crispy edges, soft, and melts in your mouth, guys. You have to give it a try. All of the ingredients are in the description box, so it's super easy for you to follow along. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Talk to you later. Bye.